I'm out here with Dad today. We got access to a new site. We've been picking up some broke things here and there and some chips, but this might be the first whole point. It's a little crude. I think it might be what they call a Bradley spike. We got a lot to look here. Dad found him one right here. I may have a little damage on that base. That's a good one, good serration on it. Yeah, nice edge work. Is that where he got hit by the dozer or something? Dad's got him another one right here. Tip ding on it. Tip ding too. Sure. Alright, Dad keeps finding. He just found these two little crude ones here. He's got him another one. This one looks nicer. Yeah, it's a very nice one. Found a couple more brooks here and there. This one's broke too, but I was gonna video it. It's really nice, except it's got that ear broke off of it. And then Dad found this. It's stone, it's not pottery. Not sure what that could have been. I think I got another point here. Oh, I didn't know it was gonna be that big. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. There's pottery all over this ridge. There's shards of it everywhere. Dad's found him another one. Can't tell if it's got damage on the end of it, but it's got a base. Yeah, it looks like it's been reworked. Yeah. I think I got a blade here, but it's pretty well worked. I might have something good right here. I can't tell. Looks like good material. Oh yeah. Very, very nice. Just barely a tip ding on it. Let's see if it looks better in the shade. Dad's got a really nice blade. The colors on it are too cool. That was like dirt. Okay. Got another one down here. I think it's whole enough to film. Got some nice teeth. Just about everything we've found has been on this little bitty ridge right here. And this thing is loaded. It's just one after the other. It's a little more crude. Looks like it has a base on it though. We've still been steadily picking up brokes, and I've got a good one right here. Well, it looks like the base is snapped off of it. Very finely worked. Looks like you got another point here. Nice flaking on the edge. If this thing right here isn't broken, this is the most worked down point I've ever seen. Wow. Yeah, they worked that one down. I think I see a base. That's a blunt. They worked this one down too. It's kind of weird. Dad found him another one right here. We already looked at it. Good size to it. We're on our way out and Dad's found two more. Found this one right here. And he's got another one down there. Another nice one.
Well, I'm hunting the Barbie field and they no-tilled it, but they planted peanuts, so there's a good bit of stuff. There's a good possibility, maybe 50-50 chance, but having said that, I've never found a hammerstone in this field, and I saw a little bit of it sticking up. What the heck, I always check rocks, and I flipped that little guy out of there. And that's a good find today. Yes, indeed. They tell me I got to work on my camera, so I got to pay attention to the artifact and the stone. Oh, it's got a good smooth place there. Real good. Another little place there. That's a good find, folks. Yep, good divot there. Sweet find. All right. We'll get back with you. 5 minutes later, I may have something else. Looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. It's got a tip knocked off of it. Oh, bummer. Oh, still, that ain't bad. I'll take it. That'd have been a good size point for here. Well, it goes like that sometimes. All right, we'll get back with you. Well, folks, I think I finally hit, well, I know I hit pay dirt. Looks like to be a pretty good little point. I saw a flake and flipped it out. And I think it's a dandy. Well, it's got a little bang on one side there, but that's pretty good. That is pretty good. I will take that all day long. Yeah, it's a little bit busted right there, but it's been reworked too a good bit. All right, we'll get back with you. Folks, I might have something. It's awful smooth. I doubt it is because it'd be real rare, but we are going to check this out. It's a black rock. We don't have them around here often, especially this size. So maybe it just might be something. Let's see. It goes down there a long way. Oh, a long way. What do we have? Oh, folks. It's busted, whatever it is. It looks high. It just depends on what kind of end we have. Ah! It's a screwdriver. What? Oh! You talk about a faker. I got really excited there. Oh, man. Oh. All right. Hey, folks. About out back out here at Ron's Ridge. It's humid. It's in June, somewhere around the 9th or 10th or something like that. Not sure on what the day is. I think I got a pretty good one down here, and it looks to be TQ. That's the odd thing in this little site. We don't really find a lot of TQ here, but this little site I found several things of TQ, but this one looks to be pretty good. I'm hoping it's all there. It looks to be, but I don't see one side of it. See it right down in there? Yeah, he's looking up at me. All right, let's see what we got, folks. Oh boy, that looks pretty good. Come on, don't be damaged. Yeah, that's gonna be a good point. Oh yeah, that's really good. Yes, sir. That's TQ too. For sure. I wonder if I can get some sunshine through it. We're gonna look. I don't know how good that's coming in, but hopefully that's picking that up. Yes, sir. I can see it some now. All right, folks. I hadn't been here but just a minute, but that's all I get today. That's all I get, and I'm happy with it. All right, we'll get back with you. Hey folks, we just digging away out here. Well, I am anyway. It's hot. But I may have something down in the hole here. Not real, probably looks like a base. But let's see right there, see him right there? I'm not sure what that is. Quit, dog. Well, we're going to try to dig it out of here and see. It's got a lot of pressure on it. I'm in a little bit of clay. And I'm not sure what we got here. Got to dig it out. Well, it's running back in there pretty good. Oh, I think I got something maybe. It's something. It's worked. Whatever it is. Good night, that thing's in there. Let's see here. I'll see if I can't get it out of that. Dig around to get some of that pressure off of it. Let's see. Oh man, that thing's way in there. A little more digging. Yeah, I think it's a point. I hope it's all there if it's there. Man, that thing runs way down in there. Goodness. Yeah, that's definitely a point. Come on, be there. Give me some. Oh my goodness. Wow. 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 I did not expect to find that here. That could be 3 inches, folks. This is by my house, and we generally do not have points that long. Whew. Goodness gracious. What a point. Good night, it's all there too. That's a beauty. I can't wait to get home and measure that. I bet you that's 3 inches. Goodness, what a find. Woohoo. We're in South Mississippi, and we don't have rocks near that size. What a beauty. My goodness gracious. All right, we'll get back with you.